Another piece of the puzzle, Alex has had this 727 stashed away for a rainy day, and it is that rainy day today. Anyway, it's really hot and sunny, but this 727 here is in pretty good shape from what we understand, but still we're having our friends take a look at it and go through it. We're gonna get a different torque converter for it, check out what stall speed we're gonna need depending on the cam and the engine specs that we go with, and just give it a once over. But the 727 should be pretty beefy and get the job done for Alex's badass Duster. Transmission is here on the surgery bench, ready to get rebuilt. Strip her down a little bit and see what it looks like inside. Bleeding her out a little bit.
We've got a metric bolt in it, that's why it wasn't working.
Sweet. Winner.
A little dirty. I mean, the 727s always run a little bit dirty, but that's kind of something going on in there.
Filter looks like it's picking up some shit too.
Yeah. There's your pump.
How's it look?
Here's your input clutches. Input drum. Yeah, on a rebuild, you're going to want to replace like all the little bushings everywhere.
Okay.
Otherwise, the transmission, will just
Not too much play in it.
not be supported in the center. They don't look too bad. Get a little bit of wear on it. You can kind of feel it with your fingernails a little bit. Grooves where it's spinning.
Oh, it kind of got sharp like that.
Yeah, let's see if I have a better set.
What do those gears do?
That's the pump.
Oh, it's the pump.
That's the fluid.
Okay.
Kind of reminds me of the oil pump.
You're right. Yeah, it is kind of like the oil pump.
Yeah, I mean it's getting a little bit of wear on it. Here's your pump bushing. Want to replace those. Yeah, they're starting to get hot spots, so it was starting to slip a little bit. It's not burned up, but it's... So you probably want to get some steels again, because when they start creating hot spots, the metal starts kind of bubbling and getting a little bit higher spots.
Yeah.
This ring gear looks good.
What is that gear called?
That's just your planet. And it's just crazy, how someone can even figure out this crap,
Yeah, no kidding.
It's like, oh crap, I've been on acid or something. fluid pressure pushes that out. So.
And that band does what then again?
Well, it basically pushes this, and then it had a little teeny metal strut that, basically just push the band.
Well, what does the band do? It like engages something?
It stops that direct drum from turning.
Okay.
Alright, there's the rear planet. There's your sprag. Rear.
What does that do?
It just lets this turn one direction.
Okay.
Here's the race. It's trying to get a little bit of a weird look to it. See how it's kind of
Hot and cold in some spots.
Yeah.
A water bottle thief on deck. Oh well.
Yeah.
It
Get
is.
your car running.
The neighbors already know that we're the loud people. Her truck and, well, pretty much everything we drive is loud, so.
My bike is the loudest.
Yeah, her bike. They've just accepted us as those people.
I was wondering how you're. That's pretty much what holds
So you
it.
took all that shit off and cleaned them up.
Cool. Got a little notch there. Gotcha. That's your governor. That's what controls the upshifts.
Oh, okay.
There's your parking ball. This little gear right there pretty much holds your car from rolling down the hill.
Okay.
So if that little piece of metal broke off,
Away she goes.
wave goodbye. You're gonna need a new one of those. That one's got some grooves in it.
Yeah.